If we aren't careful, it isn't unusual that we would scold ourselves while cooking. Even muscular athletes hurt themselves during training sessions. Individuals receive emotional pain at relationship breakdowns. Normal people don't like pain, but it's everywhere. Therefore, instead of running away from it, let's face it positively. The Apostle John foretells that pains will not exist anymore. Let's ponder his words attentively. He'll wipe every tear from their eyes, and there will be no more death or sorrow or crying or pain. All these things are gone forever. Let's pose a question to God. Lord, can you remove the pain that I have now? Let's practice what you learned. Remember that God will eventually remove pain. Let's proclaim to others about your experiential knowledge. If you have encountered God in the midst of your suffering, please share your unique experience with someone.